Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about EC2. So what is EC2? EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. It is a service in AWS which help you to run your virtual servers on the cloud. There are various applications of EC2. First of all, you can host your website in EC2 instance. Next, you can run your big data up frameworks such as Hadoop and Apache Spark on EC2 instance. Third, you can train your machine learning or deep learning models on powerful GPU instances. Last, deploying. You can deploy your machine learning application or your deep learning application as an API form for real-time inferences. So these are some applications of EC2 instance. Next let us understand what is the meaning of instance. So an instance is a virtual server that runs your applications in the cloud. So there are various types of instances present in AWS. First of all, we have a general purpose instance. It is used for everyday tasks like running your website or your application. Then we have compute optimized instance. It is used for tasks which needs a lot of processing power, such as doing complex calculation. Next, we have memory optimized instances. It is used when you need a lot of memory, like big databases. In that case, you use memory optimized instances. Next, storage optimized instances. It is used for handling large amount of data quickly, like managing big file. And last, accelerated computing instances. It is used for special tasks such as doing video preprocessing or training your AI models. So these are some types of instances that we have present in AWS. Now I am going to talk about what are some various pricing model present in EC2. So there are total 5 pricing model in EC2: on demand, reserve, spot, saving, dedicated host, and dedicated instance. Let us talk about one by one. So on-demand instances is like when you need server for a shorter period of a time. So in that case, you go for on-demand. Here, you only pay for what you use. By default, when you create any EC2 instances, you are using the on-demand instance. Next, reserve instance. Suppose that you need a server for a longer period of a time, a year or more. In that case, the best choice would be to go for a reserved instances. Next, spot instances. Let us understand with the help of an example. Suppose that you want to book a room at a hotel where all rooms are priced at 1000 rupees. You negotiate with the hotel manager stating that you can only pay 100 rupees due to the lack of other customer. The hotel manager agrees and allowing you to stay for 100 rupees with a condition that if any high-paying guest arrive, the manager may ask you to leave. So this is the scenario of spot instances. You can use them at a lower cost but may lose access if demand increases. Saving plan. Here, you agree to spend a certain amount of money per hour in order to get a discount. It is like going to a Reliance store and you say that I will buy 10,000 rupees worth of item if I'll get some discount. Then, dedicated host and dedicated instances. It is only used when you need a whole lot of physical server just for yourself. It is used in that case when you need a special security. So, there is a dedicated instance that you can buy. Most of the big companies go for the dedicated instance. Next, storage option. So there are two types of storage option present in EC2. First one is elastic block store and the second one is instance store, also called as ephemeral storage. So let us understand what is elastic block store. It is like a long-term storage. Think of it like an external hard drive where you keep all your files. So even your computer get turned off, all your files are safe. Instance store, it is like a temporary storage area. When you create a notebook, they will allocate you some memory. But when you turn off the notebook, the memory get erased from your computer. Next, we have volume and snapshot. So volume is like an storage device, like a 100 GB volume or a 512 GB SSD. Then we have a snapshot. A snapshot is like taking backup. So you are taking backup of your volume, or you can take backup of your EC2 instance. So this is where a snapshot is used. Next, we have placement group. Placement group is like where several EC2 instances are grouped together at one place in order to enhance the performance and reliability. So here there are three types. First one we have is cluster placement group, then spread placement group, and third we have partition placement group. Now let us understand each one by one. So first, cluster placement group. Cluster placement group is like a instances are packed together in the same data center to get super fast communication. It is like having a group of friends studying together, so whenever there is any doubt, they can clear their doubt immediately. Spread placement group. Spread placement group is like that when instances are spread across different hardware to reduce the risk of failure and affecting them all. Suppose that there are two child. One is from CSE and one is from EC2. So neither of them are affecting each other. So in that case, these are called as spread placement group. Next, we have partition placement group. Suppose that in a class, there are students from all over the places, from east, from west, from north, from south. So each of them had made a group, remembering that each group will be disturbing the other groups. So this is called as partition placement group.